Hello. Today I'm going to be showing you how I develop great craft projects. Number 1, I start with a vision and inspiration. My vision is a sparkly sleigh filled with snowballs with a touch of glam. Number 2, layering can bring out the brilliance in your project and make it look more high-end, which you'll see in a minute. So I'm going to do a layer of gold paint and a layer of gold glitter. You don't have to use spray paint. I could have used gold acrylic paint. I decided to paint the ironwork also. Okay, I'm getting ready to glitter this baby up, and this is where step 3 comes in: damage control. To control damage, you start in an area you're least going to see, like the bottom, the back. Save the best area for last, so it doesn't get disturbed while you're doing areas that don't really matter. That dollar store dot glue is too runny. I mixed that dollar store glue and some it's called Aleene's tacky glue, whatever. It's in a gold bottle. And sometimes you can find it at the dollar store or at the craft store, but it needs to be kind of thick, not a runny glue. You can kind of see that brilliance I was talking about. The camera doesn't do it justice. It is beautiful. Be prepared to work with glitter. It is messy. You're gonna need a paper plate, some paper down. Look at that sparkle. Number 4, merging. To develop great projects, sometimes you have to merge unique and unexpected elements. But stay on theme. I'm merging snowballs with my sleigh. As you can see, I've melted the wax in a pot, about 95%. So it'll be a little thick when I pour it over the styrofoam balls I got from DollarTree. And I got 2 different sizes. It'll all be listed in the description box, the supplies. And this is white glitter I got from Dollar General. It's a white glistening glitter. Use a different plate for your glitter and your wax. Look at that. Nice and glistening. Now I've done all 14 of my snowballs. I did try a different glitter. Didn't like the way that came out. It looked more like an ornament than a snowball. So I've cut two 16 by 2 inch strips of fur that I had on hand. So I'm just using hot glue to put the fur on. I'm putting the glue right up the center of the railing of the sleigh. And I'm putting the fur piece on in the center also. I'm lining it up, the center with the center, so I can glue both the back and the front side down separately. So I cut this little 3 inch by 2 inch piece for the front. Okay, number 5, reinventing your resources. Remember the glass candles I used to pour over the snowballs? Well, I'm gonna take those glasses and make vases. So I measured it and used painter's tape. I wanted an inch of clear glass between the glitter. Make sure you press down the edges so you'll have a clean finish when you remove the tape. So love the way that turned out. Now I'm gonna add some gemstones and it's time for the reveal. Before and after. Yes, I love it. And notice my little snow runner. It's just some leftover quilt batting I had on hand. If you liked my video, please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you. Thanks for watching.